Welcome back, boys and girls, and today I'm going to do a review on air handgun, Crosman 1377 American Classic. Let's do a quick review and see how accurate this is and measure the velocity according to the number of the pumps we put in. Now, one thing that I noticed is that how well this fits into my hand really well. It literally feels like I could point my index finger and find the target at the end of the barrel. First, let's talk about the price. You could get this dandy handgun for $50. And this is 177 caliber, a single bolt action. The overall length is 13.63 inches and the barrel length is 10 inches. And it's got a rifle barrel and comes with fully adjustable rear sight. I hit different pumpers in the past and sometimes I tend to have my skin pinched in between the barrel and the stock, and that can be painful. So you always want to wear a decent glove. The safety is where it should be. So that's safety on and this safety off. And let's see the weight. It weighs 1 pound and 13.8 ounces. So it's not bad at all. This feels really good in my hand. I can't wait to go out and shoot it and see how accurate this is. Now, according to the Crosman, if you do 10 pumps, you'll get about 600 feet per second. And that's plenty for pest control or even a small game hunting, like squirrels and rabbit. And there's one question that's on everybody's mind. What happens if you do more than 10 pumps? Well, according to Crosman, if you do more than 10 pumps, it doesn't really increase the performance by a lot, but you could actually damage the gun. So you don't want to pump more than what they recommend, and that's 10 pumps. So let's go out and do some shooting. Okay, there was not a big difference between 7 and 10 pumps. The fact that they said with the 10 pumps you should get 600 feet per second, 580 is almost there, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go with a penetration test. Wow. Okay, 7 pump gets a little bit stiff. Whew. All right, let's try the 10 pumps. Okay, that's the 10. The 10 pump gets pretty stiff. Whew. Okay, this is 1.5 inch thick with 5 pumps. It actually went in pretty deep, so that would definitely do a lot of damage. 7 pumps, about twice as deeper, and with 10 pump, 7 and 10, that's not a big difference, but there's definitely a difference. So yeah, this is more than enough for target shooting or even small game hunting. Again, this is not a toy. Okay, I'm gonna try to sight it in at 10 yards. That's right there. Seven pump. I get pretty much zeroed in at 10 yards. Okay, now I got the target out to 10, 20, and 30 yards. Now, if I could hit this cup up to 20 yards, I would say this is an awesome pistol. That went through. Two for two. Hit. All right, 2 for 2. All right, going for the 30 yards. I think I held a little too high that time. Oh, it's a hit. Where you seen it, I can't say this is a precision pistol. For fun plinking, this is just fine. You seen it 10, 20, 30 yards. If I could hit a cup, that's plenty. And lastly, like always, thank God for what you have. Enjoy life with what you got, but mostly remember, when you don't have ammunition, find your own toy. Oh, this is not a toy. See ya.